Hi everyone, I want to show everybody my three-tiered stand I did. This was a collab hosted by JOAN BRODIE and Bum Bee. To make your own three-tiered stand or to use one that you have, I decided to make my own. Unfortunately, some of my the step-by-steps were deleted from the videos, but I will show you the end result, and I will put the before pictures as the thumbnail. But I want to show you how beautiful it turned out. I used the rose gold paint for it. These are two trays, and this one is a candy dish. And in between them, I have candlesticks. It was a total of $5 that I spent at the thrift store to make this. And as far as the pearls go, I used what I have at home. And this is the first tier. I put makeup and things like that. And I put perfume and little jewels and, glamorous things. I decided to call this Bohemian Glam. And of course we have to have flowers, and I had a lot of fun doing this, and I want to thank the ladies who hosted it and for inviting me. Thank you so much. I had a lot of fun, and I'm excited to see how you all did. And then also one more thing before I go. As far as putting the tiers together, I use this glue. It's called E6000. This is what you want to use when you're putting stuff like this together, to make sure that it's very secure and it won't fall, it won't come apart. So here's another overview, and I really love this, and I put this on my stand here, and I really enjoy doing it, and it's something that I can use over and over. Thank you so much, ladies. This is Anita Funita saying goodbye.